In this video, I am going to talk about Gmail with Outlook. There are so many benefits of using Gmail with Outlook. You will have more storage space in, less spam, and better email filters. Other benefits like integration across email, calendar, and contacts. You can always organize your emails the way you want. So with Outlook, you will always stay organized. You will have multiple ways to find emails, and the list goes on. Almost all Outlook versions have got the same settings: 2007, 2010, 13 or 16. You just need to locate add account option. After that, you will find the same common options and settings which could be used for any Outlook versions. So let's configure Gmail in Outlook, which looks pretty simple, but it is actually not. You can configure Outlook to handle your Gmail account as a POP3 or as an IMAP account. IMAP is always recommended and widely used option. You can check your emails from multiple devices such as a work laptop, a home computer, or a tablet, smartphone, or other mobile devices. If you only work with your emails from one computer and online mailbox space is not much, you can go for POP3. But again, it's your choice because I'm going to cover both. You first need to prepare your Gmail account, which includes enable IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, which allows you to access your emails from any part of the world, from any device. When you are reading your emails using IMAP, you are actually not downloading or storing them on your computer. You are just reading it from the email service. Enable POP. POP stands for Post Office Protocol, which is used to sync emails from your Gmail account to any compatible mail client such as Outlook. Now the third one is allow less secure apps on. During configuration, Outlook attempts to log in to your Gmail account. Google may block this sign-in attempt. You need to change your settings to allow less secure apps to access your account. Now, enabling IMAP. This is for those people who wish to use Gmail as an IMAP Outlook account. In order to enable IMAP option, go to Gmail, enter your user ID and password and sign in. Now you need to click here, click settings. You can see here that IMAP option is already enabled. Most of the times it is already enabled, and if it is not, enable it from here and click Save Changes. Enabling POP. This option is for those who want to use Gmail as a POP Outlook account. If you wish to set POP3 account, let me explain why I have to enable this option. You can see here that POP is enabled for all mail that has arrived since 14th of August 2016. If I have around 10,000 emails in my Gmail account, so after configuring my Gmail in Outlook without enabling this POP option, from now on, all those 10,000 emails will be downloaded to my POP Outlook account. My inbox will be flooded with emails which I don't want to happen. If I enable this option, all emails will be downloaded from now on, means from this moment, and I'm pretty okay with that. So I enable this option. I click Save Changes, and now you can see here that POP is enabled for all mail that has arrived since 25 past 8 p.m. means today, which looks pretty good. Next, we need to allow less secure apps on. And if I do not allow this, I'll keep receiving a pop-up like this while configuring Gmail in Outlook. So for that, click here and then click My Account, go to Sign In and Security, scroll down and turn this option on. And then it looks like this. You can read it here, what it says. Some apps and devices use less secure sign-in technology, which could leave your account vulnerable. You can turn off access these apps, which we recommend, or choose to use them despite the risks. Now you can sign out of Gmail. So you are good to go from here. Start Microsoft Outlook. Go to File. If you wish, you can add multiple accounts. I have already added many accounts and now I am going to add another one. Click Add Account. Select Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Next, select POP or IMAP. On the next screen, enter server settings. Your name that will appear when someone receives email from your Outlook account. Your email ID, account type. Choose whether you want POP3 or IMAP. I have selected IMAP. Incoming and outgoing server details should look like this. If account type POP3, incoming mail server pop.gmail.com, outgoing mail server smtp.gmail.com. If account type IMAP, incoming mail server imap.gmail.com, outgoing mail server smtp@gmail.com. Logon information. Enter your Gmail username, which is the same as your Gmail email address, and your Gmail password. Tick the box, remember password, so it does not ask you for the password when Outlook receives emails for your Gmail Outlook account. Next, click More Settings. Outgoing server. For both POP and IMAP, you have to enable the option My Outgoing Mail Server requires authentication from the Outgoing Server tab and use same settings as my incoming mail server. Select these options. Next, click Advanced, where you are supposed to type in outgoing and incoming server numbers. If you use Gmail as a POP Outlook account, incoming server POP3 field, type in 995 and check the box. This server requires an encrypted connection SSL. Outgoing server SMTP field, type in 465 and use the following type of encrypted connection SSL. If you use Gmail as an IMAP Outlook account, which I am using here. Incoming server IMAP field, type in 993 and check the box. This server requires an encrypted connection SSL. Outgoing server SMTP field, type in 587 and use the following type of encrypted connection TLS. You can also change the server timeouts period. This defines the time interval for which Outlook will wait to establish a Gmail connection before triggering a connection error. The slower your internet connection is, the greater period you should put. The delivery options are not important for an Outlook Gmail account. No matter what you would change here, Gmail will always keep a copy of each email on the Gmail server. Click OK. Next. You need to wait for a few seconds. Outlook attempt to log in to your Gmail account to send and receive an Outlook test email. If the test succeeds, you will notice the test email in your Outlook inbox folder. Please close the window. Click Finish. And this is your Microsoft Outlook account. You can raise questions and comments. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.